Hi, I'm Kim. Now, have you ever wound your bobbin, put thread on your bobbin, and it has ended up like this, all messy? Can you see that? Bobbins should not look like that. They should look, when they are wound properly, beautiful, crisp, clean, even thread. If you have got a messy bobbin like this one, when your needle goes into the base plate to do the stitching, it is likely to catch on thread or knots in your bobbin, and that will bring your machine to a shuddering halt. So you do not want to put that in your machine at all. What to do about it? Easy peasy pudding and pie. What you're going to do is put this on your machine just like you do your normal thread spool. So if you've got a normal spool of thread where you would put it on your machine to thread up your machine or wind a bobbin up, you put this spool of, this bobbin in exactly the same way, with your thread coming out from either underneath or from the back to the left, depending on whether your little spindle is pointing up or laying down. Then you're going to thread it as if you were winding a new bobbin. So you put a nice clean new bobbin exactly where you would wind a bobbin up as normal. And then you're just going to treat this as if it was a spool of thread and transfer the thread from your messy bobbin onto your nice, clean, sparkly, brand new bobbin, and that should do the trick. Now, just one little tip before I go. I have found over the years that if you keep your foot pedal speed up to maximum, so if you've got speed control on your machine, put it up to max, put your foot pedal flat to the floor and go at speed when you're winding your bobbin. It just seems to make a difference that your bobbin likes high speed when it is loading itself. So that is how to fix your messy bobbin. Do not sew with it, transfer it onto a nice clean new bobbin and you will be good to go. I hope that helps. I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.